Marching Band. And the Bandagrams from Haley. You guys are the best. You've come so far. You can do this. From Mom and Sister Hannah, we're so proud of you. You and the entire band make us proud. Go Panthers. From Lon and Mom, Rocket Mead Color Guard, we're proud of you. Lauren Smith. Emily, hurry home. Mom and Dad, lock me in the laundry room and just a bowl of water. Your loving puppy, Phoebe. From Ashley and Catherine, Shalom, make us proud and kill it out there. Love you all. From Cassie and Kayla, we love you, babes. From Mama and Kayla, baby Maddie, we love you even though you are a gimp. From Mom and Dad to Tanner, you're awesome. We're so proud of you. Good luck. Jocelyn, Graham wants to know if you'll go to the prom with him. Tim Miller. From Tannen, Tanya, you're so amazing. When you're section Tannen. Desi, you rock it, Jamaican style. From AJ. AJ, you're the coolest guy I know. You're the best mellophone player. From Mick. Good job, myself. Play that chainsaw and get a life. From Mom and Dad to Cooper Patterson. Kill it, Lone Soldier Boy. From Cabayas. Jeremy, I love chewing your shoes, but I wish I could be there to hear next time. Don't leave me home. From your mom, Jeremy, you're an awesome kid. Love you. Play well. From Mom, Dad, and your bestest sister, Courtney. Kenzie, you've done a great job this season. We're so proud of you. Go Mead. From Mom and Dad. Emily Binion, we're so proud of you. Love Mom and Dad. From Mom, Grandma, Tasha, and Elijah. Blast that Contra, Bryson. From Mom and Dad, Bugaboo and Baby Girl, way to go. Love you tons. From Nana and Mom Ledoux, that's it. To the Color Guard, we're so proud of you. Great, way to go, great job. Go Mead. From Mom, Tegan and Cassie. Alish, we're so proud of you and the whole band. You are Sparta. From Jackson, Jenny, great Bears. Did you hear that, Ed? Bears. Now you put the whole station in jeopardy. I don't write this stuff. From Stinkface, dearest Jennifer, you are all right, I guess. Just bring it around town or else we'll get 40 lashes. Son of a bee sting, Knights of Columbus, you rock. Love Mom. To Jenny, you're like a miniature Buddha covered in hair. Mom and Dad, super job, Nikki, we love you. From Mom and Dad, Mom and Scott, rather, we love you, Sam, awesome job. Samantha Milton. From the DeClee family, great job, Mead Color Guard, you are awesome. From Brian Geneshian's parents, thanks to Mr. Lewis and Mr. Lack for bringing in the contratubas. Brian should be well conditioned to shovel snow this year. Go Mead Tumanauts. From Elaine, good job guys, I love you. Kick some butt from Elaine. From Elaine and AJ, hey guys, you make us proud. Go Panthers, we love you. From AJ, let's go Mead. Sparta, kick some butt. And from Guama, Megs, the band and the Color Guard are hungry for pizza. From your family, Megs, toss that saber. And finally, from Graham's fan club, watch out Justin Bieber. Graham, grow us on the field. Go Panthers. And of course, next to enter to entertain you and to compete on the field tonight, from Mead, Washington, the Mead High School Panther Marching Band under the direction of Rob Lewis. Drum majors Lexi Johnson, Jacob Sock, and Cassidy Young. Judges, are you ready? Band, are you ready? Mead High School, the field is yours for competition.
Go Mead!
As the